On a cold morning amidst a raging snowstorm, the wind howled as a herd of wild horses discovered one of their own trapped in a frozen river. The horse struggled desperately, panting from exhaustion and pain, its body stained with blood from the sharp ice. Each attempt to move only caused its hooves to slip on the treacherous surface. As the storm intensified, its chances of survival grew slimmer. At that critical moment, the rescue team arrived, dressed in their signature blue uniforms with thick, insulated jackets, navigating their vehicles through the heavy snow. Without hesitation, the medic rushed forward to assess the horse's condition, while the climber secured ropes to stabilize the area. The animal specialist stood ready with a tranquilizer in case it was needed, and the team leader issued precise commands to ensure everyone's safety. Working carefully, the team provided first aid and fastened harnesses around the exhausted horse. With coordinated effort, the climber and animal specialist slowly pulled the horse from the freezing waters and onto a heated stretcher. They transported it to a shelter where it received continuous medical care. Days passed, and as the horse regained its strength, its wounds healed and its spirit returned. In an emotional moment, the team stood together, watching as the horse galloped freely through the snow, reuniting with its herd. They exchanged proud glances. Another life had been saved.